Hello, children. Today we are going to read the poem Dad and the Cat and the Tree, which is written by the poet Kit Wright. In this poem, the cat got stuck on the tree, and how Dad managed to bring down the cat from the tree. So, we are going to read in this poem. This morning, a cat got stuck in our tree. Dad said, right, just leave this to me. The tree was wobbly, the tree was tall. Mum said, for goodness sake, don't fall. Fall? Scoffed Dad. A climber like me, child's play this is. You wait and see. So, the cat got stuck in Poet's tree in the morning, and Dad is saying that leave this to me, he will manage to bring the cat down. But the tree was wobbly and the tree was very much tall. That's why Mum was worried that Dad may fall from the tree. That's why she has told him to take care of that you may not fall from the tree. But Dad is so much confident. He is saying, I am a good climber and I will manage to bring the cat down. I will not fall. The rhyming words of this paragraph are tree, knee, tall, fall, me, see. So the rhyming scheme is A A, B B, C C. He got out the ladder from the garden shed. It slipped. He landed in the flower bed. Never mind, said Dad, brushing the dirt off his hair and his face and his trousers and his shirt. We will try plan B. Stand out of the way. Mum said, don't fall again, okay? So you can see that he has brought the ladder from the garden shed, and what happened to the ladder? It got slipped and the dad has fallen down in the flower bed. But dad hasn't lose hope and he is saying that never mind. He has brushed his dirt from his face, from his hairs and from his shirt, and mom is so much worried that she is again saying to dad that please take care, you will fall again. But dad is very much confident, so he is saying we will try plan B. Now let us see the rhyming words. Shed, bed, dirt, shirt, way, okay. So the rhyming scheme is AA, BB, CC. Fall again, said Dad. Funny joke. Then he swung himself on a branch. Up on a branch, it broke. Dad landed well back on the deck. Mum said, stop it, you will break your neck. Rubbish, said Dad. Now we try plan C, easy as winking to a climber like me. Now dad is again saying fall again. No, I'm not going to fall again. It's a funny joke. As dad is again very much confident about him that he can climb on the tree easily and he can bring down the cat without any problem. But you can see that the branch of the tree has broken and again the dad got fallen down. And mom is so worried, so she is again and again telling dad to stop that, otherwise you will break your neck. Again dad is confident and he's saying rubbish. Now we will try plan C, as both plan A and plan B has failed. Now dad is going to try the plan C, and he is thinking that he is a good climber and he is not having any problem to bring the cat down. Now the rhyming words of this passage is joke, broke, deck, neck, see, me. A A, B B, C C. So the rhyming scheme of this passage is A A, B B, C C. Then he climbed up high on the garden wall. Guess what? He didn't fall. He gave a great leap and he landed flat in the crook of the tree trunk, right on the trunk, right on the cat. The cat gave a yell and sprang to the ground, pleased as punch to be safe and sound. So it's smiling and smirking, smug as can be. But poor old dad's still stuck up the tree. So what you can see, now he climbed up high on the garden wall, and what happened? Dad didn't fall. He got stuck on the tree, and the cat got down safely, and the poor dad got stuck on the tree. So you can see that how foolish the dad is, that he is not able to save himself even. So the rhyming words of this paragraph are fall, wall, fall, flat, cat, ground, sound, B, tree. So the rhyming scheme is A, B, B, C, C, D, D. I hope the poem is clear to you all. Thank you, children.